Little Bo. Wanting to eat his bear. What are you doing? Show the camera you can eat your bear. You gonna show it? You gonna tell the camera what you can do? Get it. Get it, girl. Get it, little boy. You can get your little bear? What is this? Mwah! Get your bear. Yeah. You getting that bear? You just observing the camera. You don't know what to think of it. You don't know what to think of this camera. It's getting you again, Bo. You gotta get it. You don't want to? Alright. What are you doing? Yeah. You gotta watch a little bit of TV. Okay. It's TV break.